Hi there, this is Ching Gitan, also known as Mr. Ching. Posted question: kailan mo gustong kitain ang first million mo? Kung gusto mo kitain ang first million mo, please tune in. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel. At the same time, once you click subscribe, don't forget to click the bell button. Ganon din po sa aking Facebook account. Once you click Facebook, follow mo sa Facebook, don't forget to click See First. See First para pag may bagong video, ma-notify po kayo. Siyempre, lahat tayo gusto natin talagang tamaan ang ating financial target. Siyempre, ang sarap pakinggan, di ba? May 1 million pesos ka na sa bangko. But, question, have you ever heard of the term called financial roadmap? Ano ba tong financial roadmap na ito? Ang financial roadmap ay napakasimple. Ito po ay parang mapa para malaman po natin kung kailan mo talaga tatamaan yung first million mo. So, sample na lang po to. Like for example, pupunta po kayo ng tinatawag na travel kayo sa isang bansa na hindi nyo pa napupuntahan. May 3 nights at 4 days po kayo. Siyempre, gusto mo ma-maximize yung time ng visit mo sa mga lugar na yon. Pero imagine mo, nagta-travel ka na sa isang lugar na hindi mo alam na wala kang tinatawag na mapa. O, wala kang Google Map. So, ano mangyayari niyan? Instead na mapupuntahan mo at mamamaximize mo yung lugar na yan, may stress ka. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta, nagsasayang ka lang ng oras, nagsasayang ka ng pera, nagsasayang ka pa ng pamasahe at ng pagod. Alam mo, ganun din po. Living without a financial roadmap is very unwise, no? It's just like, again, going to a foreign land na wala tayong tinatawag na mapa. We will just, again, waste time, money, and energy. Paano ka mag-e-enjoy ng iyong scenery na pinuntahan mo kung di mo alam kung saan talaga yung direksyon? Ano yung destination na yan? Paano ka makakapunta? So, imbis na ika nga mas mapapadali ang punta mo, mas mababagal pa kasi nga naliligaw ka. So, which will leave us tired and what? Restless at the end of the day. So, ang nangyayari niyan ay mag-stress out tayo. Ganun din po. Alam mo, pag tayo po ay nagta-travel na trial and error lang po, nakakapagod po talaga, nakaka-frustrate, na hindi po natin alam kung saan tayo papunta. Ganun din po sa ating sa personal finance. Pag wala tayong tinatawag na financial roadmap po, we do not know what's happening with our finances. That's the reason why lahat po tayo, lahat, may pera ka man o wala, mayaman ka man o ikaw ay nag-uumpisa lang, kailangan magkaroon tayo tinatawag na financial roadmap. Ang mga iba, ang goal lang talaga sa buhay is to survive. O, survive, no? Our goal in life is not only to survive. Our goal in life is to thrive. So, living in survival, chances are, if you're living in survival, wala kang financial roadmap. And the result is really, again, wasteful of time, energy, at the same time, very frustrating. Alam mo, wise people see financial roadmap as their what? Guide, no? Guide po nila para makamit na kung anong gusto nila. Ang financial roadmap po ay isang tool na pwede tayong matulungan para nga makuha natin kung ano man gusto natin, million man o wala. So, if you want to achieve what we call as financial stability, you must ask yourself 3 questions. 3 questions in order for you to create a financial roadmap. Ano po itong 3 question na ito? First is the what, number 2 is the where, and number 3 is the how. Ulitin ko, the what, the where, and the how. Pag-usapin mo muna natin yung the what. Okay. Ang what po, ang unang katanungan, ano po yung tinatawag nating financial status? Current financial status mo. Alamin muna natin. Ikaw ba ay may utang? Ikaw ba ay may binabayaran pang mga babahay, sasakyan, may hinuhulugan ka pa ba? Ano yung mga madalas na mga expenses mo? Currently, ano yung mga monthly expense mo? Tubig, kuryente, upa, matrikula, di ba? Yung mga monthly na tinatawag na expenses, yung tinatawag na operational expense mo sa pamilya mo. And then, yun nga, kailangan malaman mo muna talaga yung current financial status, the what we call as the what. Oo. Pag hindi mo inalam yan, wala kang tinatawag na point of reference. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. And then next naman is the point of your destination. The where. Oo. Where. Decide where you want to go. Oo. So, in other words, tatanong mo sarili mo, saan mo gustong makapunta in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now? Oo. Yung short term, medium term, and long term mo. Ikaw ba nakikita mo sarili mo in 5 years time? Oo, bayad ka na sa utang. 10 years, meron ka ng bahay at sasakyan. 20 years, magre-retire ka na. Kailangan alam mo saan ka talaga papunta. Diba? Kasi kung hindi mo alam kung saan ang financial direction mo, maniwala ka. Baka 50 ka na, 60 ka na, wala ka pang naumpisan, lubog ka pa talaga sa utang, wala ka pang bahay, wala ka pang sasakyan, wala ka pang retirement fund. Nakakapagod po yan. So, alamin nyo muna first is the where. Again, the where. O, saan ba ang direction mo? And then next, pag alam mo na yung direction mo, at part of the where is what? Where are the sources of your income? Oh, yes. I want to be debt-free by 5 years' time. Oh, sige. Do you have a regular paying job? Do you have other sidelines? Do you have what we call as savings? Do you have what we call as residual income or investment? Kahit na hindi ka na magtrabaho, may pumapasok pa ng pera. Ano yung mga sources of income mo para tamaan mo yung short term mo, yung medium term mo, at yung long term goal mo? Diba? So, that's the where. Again, the first question that we need to ask in order for us to have a financial roadmap is the what. Oo. And then next is the where. And the third is the how. Oo. The how. Ano itong the how? What are the tools that we need in order for us to achieve what we call our financial goal? Ano mga kailangan po natin? Kailangan ba natin matuto pa in terms of savings? Kailangan ba natin matuto in terms of budgeting? Kailangan ba natin matuto in terms of investment? Kailangan ba natin matuto magnegosyo? Nagigets nyo? So, I want you to be more practical. No, kailangan tanungin natin tong sarili natin, tong 3-question test na ito. Again, first question is the what. Number 2, the where. And number 3 is the how. Ano pang kailangan mong matutunan para ika nga ma-achieve mo yung financial target mo? Para maka-create ka ng tinatawag na financial roadmap. That's the reason why I want you to take time to answer these 3 questions and answer it in a piece of paper so in order for you to get started with your financial roadmap. So, probably some of you are asking, Chinky, mukhang mas lalo pang gumulo. Lahat ng sinabi mo, wala ako noon. So, if you want me to help you in achieving your financial goals, I have a great news for you. May great news po ako sa inyo kung gusto niyo talaga matamaan ng tinatawag niyang financial goals. Meron po ko isang tinatawag na special channel called chinktv.com. Ano po tong chinktv.com na ito? Ang itong chinktv.com na ito is a special online channel that you can watch anytime, anywhere, at any place. Ano itong anytime, anywhere, any place na ito? Kasi itong chinktv.com na ito, ang kagandahan po dito, kahit po kayo nasa team abroad, kahit nasa team probinsya po kayo, pwede niyong panuorin to. O live via video by demand. In the chinktv.com, I will teach you 4 things. Okay, number 1, I'm going to teach you how to make money, manage your money, grow your money, and protect your money. Manage your money. Paano ka gumawa ng pera, paano ka magbenta, paano ka mag-start ng negosyo. Kung yun ang desire mo, that's the channel for you. Number 2, I'm going to teach you also how to save, how to budget, how to get out of debt, managing your finances. Number 3, I'm going to teach you also how to grow your money, invest. Paano ka mag-invest sa property, real estate, stock market, mutual fund, ITF. Number 4, I'm going to teach you how to protect your money in order for you to retire. Lahat po ng courses nandun po. Ang kagandahan po, this is online learning. You can learn at your own convenient time. You have the power to choose your time and location and the courses that you'd like to take. So, ang kagandahan po dito, ang dami na rin po nakinabang po sa mga sessions na ito. So, again, my question is this. Oo, Chinky, ang ganda nga siya, pero question, may investment ba? Yes, there's an investment here. Alam mo, financial lessons and strategies that I'm sharing in this program is really priceless. Kasi pinagsama-sama na namin ang 42 years of my personal experience. Nilagay na po natin sa program na ito. Online courses just like this on other sites can cost more or less 2,000 to 4,000. However, sa chinktv.com, we want to make it affordable. Okay? So, we price it only. Ang learning investment mo lang dito is only how much? 799 pesos. 799 pesos. At marami nang kayong courses na mapapanood doon. As a matter of fact, there are already 8 courses. Per course is 799. Pag tinotal mo dyan, ang value niyan more or less nasa 6,400. But before you click the join button, meron pa ako isang good news sa inyo. Ang good news po, meron tayong tinatawag na All Access Pass. Ano itong All Access Pass? You can unlock all Chink TV courses and get unlimited learning. Get all the unlimited learning. Instead of enrolling at only 1 course, you enroll at 2 courses. Enroll at 2 courses at 1,598. Alam mo mangyayari niyan? Lahat ng courses mapapanood mo na. But wait, hindi pa daw nagtatapos. There's more. Pag ikaw naka-enroll ka na sa All Access, meron pang mga upcoming courses na darating po within the year. So we're going to put at least one course every 2 months. So that's an additional 6. 6 plus 8, that's a total of 14. So yung 14 courses na yan, kasama na rin po sa All Access, and it is for free. Libre na po yung upcoming courses. So if you want to join in this special program called chinktv.com, all you need to do is just type the word called All Access. Type the word All Access inside your comment box, and I will send you a link so that you'll be able to join me on the All Access at chinktv.com. Type the word called All Access. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope that you will be able to build your own financial roadmap. Remember the question, the what, the where, and the how. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always Chink Positive. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always Chink Positive.